Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Utpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to turn on a Snapchat Plus notification on Snapchat. So this Snapchat Plus notification keep you updated about premium features, latest price changes, any offer for you, and if you want to get all these updates then open a Snapchat app on your device. Now click on the profile icon at top left corner and then click on settings icon at top right corner of the screen. After this, scroll down a bit and click on notification option, and within notification section, find a Snapchat Plus option and turn on the toggle right to it. Once you enable this option, Snapchat can send notifications related to Snapchat Plus, their feature, their updates, their promotional messages, their offer and everything. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.